no AC Milan eche Paris Saint-Germain shared by 2-1 or for no kwasem ne say PSG for koto twede kan Milan screen you know him say looking at say oye a former player the Inter Milan no obehye goal San Siro ne de nka on the team ne hold you na akọ win game no then so amfa Rafael Leao woni abranche friend no only come back no
yeah one of the days
yes.
In so many months Mose Rafael Leao
if he chooses to play football, one of the most mesmerizing players in we are saying. Okay, the ball now difficult to take the ball away from him. And we go no share. Do a foul ball difficult to go no.
Yeah,
definitely. What was it? Mostly, so who say players no? I want that form. No matter some ball now. Onunye, a branch here friend no. Louis Loftus-Cheek. Yeah, because say main football no. Player back come who say oben ye two repa no. Yes, akora no. Ruben Loftus-Cheek.
Yeah.
Everything dominance in football in the metro. Me sure say obi dominate a met for so you so rubber baller e cha branch friend no Ruben Loftus-Cheek and Paul Pogba.
Yeah.
But football you do we be the problem is say o inconsistent. Born and ade chan wa change ade chan na born na star. So we consistent and for I think say people will even fall in love because the for Quentin because he was a very good player, young player Fenana or back to the ranks of club for Chelsea.
But very inconsistent.
Rafael Leao the same thing, inconsistent. And that's the problem club for the A.C Milan Stefano Pioli obo face your club no or for a game now look at the table obo table now is so open obi at me qualify man ya ka 2 games pe obi at me qualify man ye Dortmund was 7 points PSG was 6 points Milan was 5 points Newcastle was 4 it is 7-6-5-4 obi at me qualify man ye aka 2 games there are 6 points to pick from that game now bono and then obi at me qualify. Now say you find say Newcastle 5 winners those 2 points not 6 points not or 10 or chance to qualify. Milan and winning 6 points or chance to qualify. Obeba we need be to qualify man ye. It's a group in there very open. You can say we a group of death. Lo and behold abam. Now look at after 4 games no and it will be higher
because you save kakra Dortmund who only needs a
one win. Only one win or
qualify. Yes. Na come on.
Maka PSG mo no mbe on your mbe ye. Nemo the fact
because 3 na can dey bia there.
Obia group no bia team win man ye. Let's take it as if Dortmund follow so 2
matches now.
Na Dortmund PSG ne Newcastle na AC Milan fa win. What do you do? What free mu kofi. So that's here. So on group no dey so open. Obia to qualify from the group of group F man ye. But therefore now I think sir coach has been born about when Papa friend Stefano Pioli in the first leg. Papa friend Luis Enrique making some tweaks, some changes from the Newcastle game no call Lucio 4 no. Then he came back and about winning against AC Milan by 3-0, making those changes. Now coach dey what one more. The thing I saw here and say me previously then you learn from that, then you bring in other tactics. And I think say that is definitely what Papa friend Stefano Pioli here. And you pass the ball from the start to the finish. The game was dominated by Club FN AC Milan. And that's the truth. Now, if you look at Club FN PSG, you might even think, I say, they were complacent, say, Mokoko share Club FN AC Milan by 3-0 or pack the present, they could do something else and zero. But this is AC Milan, like I say, more problem, they say, inconsistent. On a good day, so focus on the bomb. You bought about 10 games and 7 games, Serie A, no. All the teams that were unbeaten. But I'm inconsistent. When they go on there, no one win this game. 3 games for someone to win the game, maybe. The problem, no. But anyway, they played a very, very, very good game for their own self. Therefore, over line up from the ball now. Mostly. The only change I'm here from that game against PSG or Parc des Princes, no, I said they didn't have Ruben Loftus-Cheek. Now, Rafael Leao, airball from the wings, Christian Pulisic, Olivier Giroud at the back, Theo Hernandez, Malik Thiaw, Fikayo Tomori, a bunch of friend David Calabria. No question, they say in their back line, our back line is made up of young boys and mostly Saobo against PSG. Not only person met match your pace, no whatever born oh problem. Because you need players or bet me matching the pace of a bunch of Randa Colomwani, Osman Dembele, and a bunch of friend Kylian Mbappe. And the question they say, yeah, Boba into baby. Mbappe couldn't stay up front. This is about Fini. I'm a jab on the border because the ball now bunch of Yunus Musa, Tijani Renders, and a bunch of Louis Lostov Bono. It was too much for PSG. Say, a bunch of Mbappe couldn't stay up front. Continue how many want to be more. he had to come back into the midfield and pick the ball because that is the new instruction. Papa, your friend Luis Enrique, the man Brantier, fall back into the midfield, become the third man, then try to be furious man Dembele and Randall Colomwani or any more. But of course, I'm say now if you are playing against PSG, the thing you need to do is pick the midfield. Omo yes, I didn't ever. I can't support the prince. Mbechiro Musa, they did it perfectly for 20 minutes until sa perfect Luis Enrique changing system no. But anyway, essence na owo Ruben Loftus-Cheek, Yunus Musa, Tijani Riendesa, omo runners, they are players who can tackle, you know. PSG4 couldn't have the midfield. And anyway, it was the worst game I've seen a branch of Manuel Ugarte play in the PSG4 Omo Calais. Because he has been very, very good for club by a friend of PSG. But anyway, inside the press of Ruben Loftus-Cheek, you know, no who you on yet. Onya board check a personal or personal board PSG are in trouble. And he did that for the whole 90 minutes, no. So you know, not on for crown faso. Your poor game, no. He had the lowest ratings in PSG4 or Mutinum. Because the midfield of Zarin Emery, Vitinha, and a bunch of Manuel Ugarte, and fa said Musi Peno. And I think Sabas Budina ever called them out by a friend Stefano Pioli. And in the way our approach game, no, beating PSG by 2-1. Or for some reason, if they choose to play, they will play. An example, I almost second goal. I'm going to share Abantia. If Giroud go, no. Who's on your life for the Facebook? Look at the passes. I won't put it together. They pass, they touch, you go, we pass it. Just look at this. I'm going to touch it. No more call. Wait, touch it. No call. Wait, touch it. Very splendid.
6.
Because on a normal day, Obi Nimsankai and oh, check it pass.
Yeah, because since the Champions League over to you, so to me more than 4 passes.
Oh, for yourself,
not say United now but 2 passes. Now say where they are qualify. Hey. No, that's crab.
And they played very well, and they had the end product. End product in why Olivier Giroud. Yeah. Someone when you say Pierre Bon the ball you could score. Look at the cross from Theo Hernandez. That Olivier Giroud should go. And you look at the sequence, about fast one to some go. No, it clearly tells you say this club if they choose to play, if they want to play, they will play against. And
no game back one, na team make a prediction.
Yeah.
Na me sheme man pay game.
A game, yes. Or for what thought say PSG could have won the game. Yes.
So no. If a winner is for AC Milan.
Yes.
Okay, but na me sheme man no.
Or for
you also emphatic.
Yes, because for me I thought say PSG4 would win this game.
Me say say make say PSG be win.
Per everything, per AC Milan for recent games and Barcelona, it was difficult for them to win against club of the PSG. And if they choose to play or move I think say it was a very good win for them. And you know, or therefore it is Ruben Loftus-Cheek game. Your point game, no. Rafael Leao was a man of the match, no. But to me, I think say apparently we had a very good game than Rafael Leao. Even though
Mudi na bi na Mudi we didn't go to decide. Go to decide. What about ball?
Papa, and easy. I brought the ball or boy, and he was all over the pitch. Making the closest player to a branch of friend or mechanic say yeah Toure a branch away. Okay. And on a good day if he touches the ball, if you want to play, if you want to be that player now or yeah time no Osa our free Chelsea 4 ranks the move he could be very very good tough player to play again because over the body strength now like Oyobia or a bulky. Yeah. And see so you player Biana say energy should any home from Mawa. It is difficult to play against him. Okay. And then we will choose to say after injury he will play the way he wants to play. No, he was just a monster on the day for club FN club FN AC Milan. So my more AC Milan for team number so okay. They won the game and now team the group is wide open. Obia to me confirm and that is what we want from a Champions League. Champions League there a game of champions, a game of big guys. And the group is so tight sana. And more be energy. My main more clubber, your friend of AC Milan Abaso, they were able to win and their win was well deserved against clubber, your friend of Paris Saint-Germain.